Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 6 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this poinsettia design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using Holo Taco's Stop Buggin. Then for the stamping, I'm going to be using Trophy Life. Pay no attention to the half-stamped poinsettia there. And I'm going to be filling in using Thirst Trap. For today's stamping, we're going to be using the MoYou London Crystal Collection 01, and we're going to be using this full nail design down in the corner. I'm going to be stamping with gold chrome, and chromes can be a bit finicky to stamp with, so I'm just going to try to move as quickly as possible. Once I have my two stampers stamped, I have a small lid here that I'm going to use to put out some of the red polish. And then I'm going to go ahead with my small brush and start filling in the center as well as the above and below flowers. I made sure to let this mostly, if not completely, dry before I attempt to stamp it, and I'm going to use just a teensy bit of long-lasting base on my dry base color to help with the transfer. I'm going to go ahead and line up the poinsettias right in the middle and stamp onto my nail. Once I'm done with the stamping, I'm going to go ahead and do my usual cleanup around the edges using a small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to go ahead and finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. This is probably my favorite design so far from this year's series, and it did take a little bit of work to get here since I was originally planning on using a different poinsettia stamp, but when we started doing testing, I realized that I needed to switch it up and found this one instead. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can see how metallic these are. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.